Hi guys, welcome to Sea Monkey Watch episode 2. So last night I put in the instant eggs, but they didn't hatch before my eyes. Unfortunately I didn't record that because I was just so excited in seeing some new sea monkeys.
What?
Sea monkeys. But yeah, no sea monkeys so far. According to the instructions, in lower temperatures it can take a few days for the eggs to hatch. So it has been fairly cool here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sea monkeys in some indirect sunlight, maybe warm it up a bit, just a little, and hopefully we'll see some sea monkeys on the next episode. Thanks for tuning in. And that was Sea Monkey Watch.